Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to list the files in a directory and then we're going to delete a text file from there. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine. I'm going to call it sub. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. Delete files. And now we're going to create a path to the desktop because the file I want to delete is on the desktop. So this is going to be path, and the path to my desktop is C:users mark desktop. So that's the path to my desktop. For you, you're going to have to find what the path to your desktop is. And I'm going to have CHDIR, change directory, to that path. So we're going to be in that directory. Right, now we're going to list files and folders in that directory. So we create a scalar variable called list directories, list dir. Then we'll assign it to the dir directory, and then the scalar path, which is the path above that we want to list, and then we use this dot map, and then use the asterisk and dot base name. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to print out everything there. So we just say, and then I've made a mistake here, not a singular, it's plural, list directory. Okay, and then we're going to say list dir. Okay, so that should list everything in there. So let's just call this function, see if it works so far. Delete files, and we're just going to call the program Raku test.raku. Hit enter. And there we go, it's listed all the files and folders on the desktop, so we'll just clear that. Right, so far so good. Now we're going to create another scalar variable called entries. So we're going to get some user input, and we do that by putting prompt here, and then a message to the user, enter file name. Right, and now we're going to use an if conditional. So if scalar entry, what we entered in there, dot io, input output, dot f is a file. And we're going to print a message to the user telling them what we're doing, or what the program is doing. Deleting file. Oops. Typo there, deleting file. I'm going to give it a little pause using sleep. Give it a pause for 1 second, so that will pause the program for 1 second. And now we've got to delete the file, and we can do it by calling unlink here, and then the scalar entry, the file that we entered, so we can delete that. And then once we've done that, we tell the user we've done that. So file deleted. Okay, and then we come down onto the catch-all statement, which is else. Else, if that's not the case, what we're going to do is say scalar entry not found. Oh dear, let's just scalar entry not found. Right, let's just save that, and as per usual we shall run the program, and on my desktop file called test here that I want to delete. So Raku, and this one is called test.raku. Let's run the program. Okay, so those are all the files, and I want to delete test.txt. Deleting file deleted. Let's check that out, and there you go, it's gone. Okay, let's run it again. Raku test.raku, hit enter. Let's enter a name that isn't in there, .txt, and bvb.txt not found. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? The subscribe button is below, hit it, and while you're at it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.